Today, I will introduce a super simple recipe for kimchi fried rice, Kimchi Bokkembap. The ingredients we will use for Kimchi Bokkembap are 햇반, the instant rice, kimchi, spam, roasted seasoned dry seaweed, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan and heat the pan. Cut spam into small cubes. When the oil heats enough, add chopped kimchi and diced spam. Microwave instant rice for about 2 minutes. Add rice and stir fry about 3 minutes on medium heat. If you want to make it saltier or spicier, you can add 1 tablespoon of juice of kimchi. If you want to boost the flavor of the kimchi fried rice, why don't you use beef stock powder called 다시다? Just add a small pinch of 다시다 and taste it. It'll be much nicer. Add thinly cut roasted seasoned seaweed and sesame oil and stir fry about 1 more minute. Sprinkle sesame seeds on the top of the fried rice. If you are very hungry, you can put a fried egg on the top of the kimchi bokkembap as well. Then, let's practice today's expressions about kimchi bokkembap.
쌤, 이거 매워요?
이거 안 매워요.
이거 매워요?
이거 안 매워요.
쌤, 이거 매워?
이거 안 매워.
이거 매워?
이거 안 매워.